Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get grid in Figma full guide. Open your Figma file and select the frame you want a grid, then click the Layout Grid button in the right panel to add one. Use the Grid Type dropdown to switch between grid, columns, or rows and adjust size, color, and opacity for clarity. I'll walk through practical settings and quick tips to speed up your layout work. Grids have specific uses that make layouts consistent and predictable. Grid is ideal for precise spacing and icons, whereas columns help create responsive content with even gutters and margins. Rows give you control over vertical rhythm and section spacing. I'll explain when to use each type, how to combine them, and how to adjust settings like count, gutter, and margin to match your design system and screen targets. Advanced grid settings let you tailor structure to projects and teams. Change column count to match frameworks such as 12 or 16, tweak gutter and margin for desired white space, and set column widths to fixed or stretch. Use subtle colors and low opacity to keep the grid helpful without overpowering the design. I'll also share shortcuts for copying grid styles and using constraints for adaptive layouts to save time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.